Number 5. Bojam Bistro Blade Grinder. Blade and motor. The blade grinder has a strong, durable stainless steel cutting blade that spins at a precise RPM, plus a powerful 150-watt motor. Sleek design, push-button control allows for pulse action or continuous grind. Pair with bojam coffee maker. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Krupps Silent Vortex Electric Grinder. Powerful, efficient, and super silent, grinds coffee beans for 12 cups in 15 seconds for drip coffee with minimum grinding noise. Easy one-touch operation. Patent-pending vortex spin technology pulls ingredients into the blades for fast and efficient grinding. Large capacity and dishwasher safe. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Breville the Smart Grinder Pro. 60 precise grind settings from the finest espresso to the coarsest French press grind. Voltage, 110 to 120 volts. Power, 165 watts. Grind directly into portafilter, grinds container, gold tone filter basket or paper filter. Precision electronic timer allows users to adjust grind time in 0.2 second increments and consistent dose every time. 18-ounce coffee bean capacity with locking system for easy removal, storage, and transfer of the bean hopper. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Oxo Brew Conical Burr. Durable 40 mm stainless steel conical burrs create uniform grounds for optimal flavor extraction. 15 settings, plus micro settings, let you adjust your grind to suit your taste. One-touch start timer keeps your last setting, just push to grind. Hopper holds up to 0.75 pounds of coffee beans. Product dimension, 12 by 7.4 by 16 inch. Grounds container accommodates up to 110 grams, enough for 12 cups. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Barrett Saw Encore. 40 grind settings, engineered with 40 mm commercial-grade conical burrs. User-friendly. Specialty Coffee Association award-winning grinders. Go-to entry-level grinder, Barrett Saw's best-selling grinder, with its small footprint, is the choice for brewing coffee at home. Please check the description for details and best price.